welcome to another video. Today we are going to give this car some more induction noise because we have a lack of induction noise on the car. I'm going to insert some clips now of me driving, or I might have already inserted them. And yeah, you can hear the exhaust sounds too raspy, but it's loud but not too loud. I want to hear the VTEC come on more. So back in the day when me and my dad used to work on cars a lot, we used to modify standard airboxes. Therefore, you just modify what you've already got, but just make it a little bit better or even worse, but just to get some noise out there. So the plan is remove the upper box, remove the air filter, remove the bottom box, and then on this front left side away from the exhaust we're going to drill some holes in the side just to get some noise and also potentially some more cold air through the side. So yeah, let me get some tools and I'll be right back. So if we actually analyse the airbox here, what the hell is going on with all this here? All this needs to ideally be cut out. All that and all this smooth here, all them need to come out. All them bits. And then same with them bits. So all them fins all need to be cut out. All these marks get cut out and then sanded properly. So that'll be the plan, to modify the standard airbox, so we'll do that properly. We have two holes here, just a hole saw straight through, and there's also a huge water trap, as you saw. I've not been able to do a good job yet because I've not got a Dremel, but the idea will be to Dremel all this out and hollow all that out and get this as smooth as I can. Basically, that's the idea. Get that smooth as I can. So we've got this huge surface area now, which was blocked off here, and now it's all completely open. So if we don't have any more VTEC noise, I don't know what the hell we're going to have, but it should sound a lot better though, a lot better. So round one of making the Honda loud hasn't worked, so we are going to go to phase two. Phase two is more destruction of the standard airbox. Let's go for a little bit more, a few more holes. Let's give it a little bit more sound, hopefully. So let's get my 10mm. So all you need is a 10mm, basically. Jap stuff. Very easy. So yeah, let's have a go on round number two. So we're going to go here. This is a nice hole, isn't it? Right here. Might do another one here as well. Whilst we're here. might see if I've got a tool here which I can just make this into one square. That's nice there, that's a nice little hole. There's potential for one there as well. see how this goes, but I've got potential to put another hole there. So I'd like to just see if I can get a multi-tool or something. I don't have the Dremel with me, so we'll see if we can find something. There we go. That'll do, won't it? That'll definitely do. Let's see if that does anything. If it doesn't do anything, might go a bit higher and keep zipping across till it gets the sort of noise I want. So that'll do for now. See how that goes. So this is all just a theory in principle. I am yet to get a Dremel and get rid of all them little sharp edges and smooth out the inside of the box. But then an old trick came to mind again, was if I want to hear more induction noise, remove the sound deadening from underneath the bonnet. So we've done that here as well, and this combination has worked a treat. So in the future I'll go back, now I know it works, I'll go back to the drawing board with the airbox, Dremel all them edges out, and then do a proper job of making it extremely smooth within the airbox. And then that'll do. And then I know it's done a proper job. I can make that hole actually a little bit neater, maybe even a little bit bigger in the corner as well, just make a proper job of it. But for now, the theory works. And if you've got this far into the video and you're enjoying it, please consider liking and subscribing. So, this video seems to be successful. What I planned to do seems to have worked. We have that corner cut out of the airbox with a couple more holes in on the airbox, as you've seen, and it seems to work a treat, which is what we wanted. It's still a bit noisy on exhaust. I probably will put a standard centre box in it eventually, but having a look at the design of these HKS systems, how you've got the engines here, you've got a pipe that comes around and there's a cone filter at the back of the engine near the exhaust. The HKS one seems to be the one everyone has, and they're like 300 quid second hand. So I'm thinking, how can I sort of copy that but make it somewhat my own, somewhat different for free? And that's where the theory came. If I chop out the back corner of the airbox where the cone filter sits anyway, but away from the exhaust side, surely that'll work better. And I don't know if it's going to be better. We've not got no dyno results, but we have intake noise and we have £0 left the bank. But yeah, it sounds good when you open it up. It sounds good. So I would call that some sort of a success, really. It sounds awesome. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.